Hello.
Oh, hi, yeah.
We've been talking to Kwazi.
Uh-huh.
You know Kwazi?
Uh-huh.
Well, she's been telling us lots about you.
Uh-huh.
And that you're from Zimbabwe.
Uh-huh.
So tell us about your favourite thing.
What's my favourite thing? Well, I really like Zimbabwe. My parents are both from Zimbabwe, yeah? And I've been there before, and I went to lots and lots of places in Zimbabwe, and we saw lots and lots of things when we were there. One of the places we went to was Kumusha.
Kumusha? Really? What is Kumusha?
Well, Kumusha is kind of like this place, right, where your grandma and your granddad live in Zimbabwe. So, like here, we can see our grandma and granddads, like, anywhere, anytime. But in Zimbabwe, you've got to go Kumusha because that's where they live. And it's very far away.
I see.
And we had to sit on the car for like lots of time. And I fell asleep. And then when I woke up, we were at Kumusha. And I got to play with all my friends. And I ate chibage. And I ate mangoes. And I ate guavas. And I ate lots and lots of things. I loved it so much.
So what's your favourite thing about Zimbabwe?
My favourite thing about Zimbabwe is my putty. I love my putty. They're like popcorn, but they're not popcorn. They're nice. They're really nice. They don't make them here. They don't make them anywhere at all. But I love my putty so much. I had so much my putty when we were in Zimbabwe until my mummy told me I had to stop eating because I was eating too much. Oh, I can't wait to go back to Zimbabwe so I can eat my putty again. And I love the music and I love the sun. It's always sunny in Zimbabwe. And I love playing with everyone, going and doing mahumbwe and going and playing with my friends. Oh, mahumbwe.
What's mahumbwe?
Yeah, mahumbwe. You've never heard of mahumbwe?
No, we have not.
Well, mahumbwe is just kind of like when you go play with your friends.
Sorry, babes.
I thought everyone plays mahumbwe.
Never heard of it, mate.
Don't you play mahumbwe?
No, sorry, never heard of it.
Oh. Well, I guess it's different in Zimbabwe because there's so much sun. Everyone goes outside all the time. Yeah.
So tell us about Sarura Kids.
Well, my friends, Eddy and Kwazi, we're going to be on Sarura Kids on YouTube. Yeah, that one there. Yeah, that one. We're going to be on Sarura Kids on YouTube, and you can kind of see everything we do together. We're going to learn together. It's going to be loads and loads of fun. Yeah, we're going to be on YouTube. So it's going to be fun. We're going to learn about Zimbabwe. We're going to learn about Shona. We're going to learn about everything. Yeah.
Can you speak Shona?
What? Can I speak Shona?
Yes, can you speak Shona?
Of course I can.
Can you say something in Shona first, please?
Okay. I can say audible.
What does that mean?
That means are you alright? I can also say makadihenyu.
And what does that mean?
That means how are you? Yeah, so now you can also say hello, how are you? You say, well, if you say to a friend, yeah, you say ulibo. If you're speaking to a grown-up, you have to say makadihenyu. You say kazwai makadihenyu. So you can say kazwai, which is hello, and then makadihenyu, which is how are you?
And so do you speak it at home?
Yeah, my mum and my dad speak Shona to me all the time. So I'm learning lots and lots of Shona all the time. I'll teach you. I can teach you if you like. Yeah. Yeah, but it's going to be on Sarura Kids channel, so you should come there because that's what I'm going to teach you. That's what I'm learning.
That's brilliant, thank you.
Okay, I'll see you there.
When?
Probably on Monday because we're not doing anything until Monday, so we'll see you on Monday. Yeah, every single Monday. We'll see you on Monday. Alright. Right, see you later. Bye.
Thank you, Trymore.